Alright, this is the machine I just purchased for my juice maker. Alright, I'm gonna start making some carrot juice. Just took the skin off, which is right here, and then this is a bunch of carrots. I'm just gonna put them here in the machine and get ready to go. Alright, bunch of carrots. Put them here together. That's all. Alright, this is the machine. Alright, well, yeah, and then you put the carrots in, and you close, and then start blending. Carrot blender. Best carrot juice maker on the market. That's how you make carrots. That's what make carrot juice. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Didn't have enough carrot juice right there. Let me turn this off. Alright, look at that. Wow, beautiful. Let's see. Wow, that's a lot of carrot juice right here. Let me try some carrot juice. Let's see. Alright, that's my let's get some carrot juice, drink some carrot juice. I'm gonna try some. Wow, beautiful. This is a lot of carrot juice. Just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna drink some. All right, you guys got it. If you wanna buy any carrot juice, this is the best carrot juice on the market. I get it on Amazon.